what's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well today. Today is Sunday, March 9th, 2025, 6:40 p.m. The futures market just opened at 6 p.m. about 45 minutes ago, give or take. You can see right now, we've already got the chart pulled up here for the S&P 500. We did miss our projected target of 5,400. It happens. It's part of life, right? We started up here around the 6,000 mark, and it came down $230 since that prediction. Let's jump over here to, excuse me, let's jump over here to the futures that just opened. Put it on the 15-minute reset chart view before we jump over there. You can see it started, opened here at 57.53, so below that 57.70 that we're seeing on the S&P 500. So we got to pay close attention to this thing, see how it does overnight. Looks like it got as low as 57.26. So what does that tell me? That tells me that, we might be coming down again. We will see how it closes overnight, pay close attention to that, and kind of go from there. So let's get back into the SPX. All right, and you do see here that we have some of our levels from last week still marked out. We did not clear those out, which is completely fine. So where are we at now? This week coming up, which is the week of March 10th through 14th. All right, so here we go, guys. We're going to try to keep today's video kind of shorter than what the last couple of ones have been. I don't really have a whole lot of time today, but I did want to get this in throughout before the weekend was over to start the week off. All right, so let's see. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, so price is right here, 57.70.20. So we're going to go ahead and bring this resistance level down right there at 58.75, and it's kind of a key area I've been seeing all week. 57.70. This is going to be another. Let's see, can we duplicate? No, it's fine. So this price right here, this 57.70, this is going to be a key level. Okay, we're going to mark that as key level. Key level for tomorrow, especially for tomorrow. Okay, that may turn into resistance. It could turn into support. We just got to see how the market does, right? Because you can see right here, at one point it was resistance, and as we know, you can see right here, at one point it was support, and it was support again. So, right now the market's right there on that level, right there at it. That's where price is at. Now, I guarantee you that, if that futures market does open tomorrow, does end up not making the price higher than what the S&P 500 is, we will see that a lower opening tomorrow. So this would probably just end up being resistance instead of key level, right? But all in all, key level resistance. That's the way I'm going to be looking at it. Okay, and we can see right here what's the low right here, 56.6629. That's where we got down to. So yes, we called 5,400. We're about $260 off of that mark. It covered 5% of what I predicted, which is fine, man. We're in the right direction. I don't care. I knew it was coming down. I called it. I knew that's what it was going to be. So, we're going to bring this. We're going to change this to SP1 support 1 and bring that on up there to that key level. 56.666. All right, and yep, that's gonna be that area right there. So if this thing breaks below there, we're gonna come on down to right about here. That's gonna be the next level, support 2, and then what happens there, folks? What's after that? 5,400. Let's see, we're going to change that to I've been doing some other things with this thing. So blue, whatever, that's cool. Cool with me. Support 3. All right, that is our path right there. You know, and to see this thing bounce off of one of these levels, you know, let's say, you know, it opens somewhere around this 5,700 area. That's what I'm calling for tomorrow morning. Unless this future market's turned around, I mean, we're looking at, you know, 45 minutes of data. This thing can go either way. You get some crazy news overnight. You know, you never know which way it's going to go until the actual day comes. You know, that's why these are all for education purposes only. Market analysis, trends, predictions. You know, just like I called 50, you know, 400. Yet, you know, it didn't happen, but we got in the right way. You know, we were going the right way. We called the trend on the correct side. So a win's a win at my book. All right. As I was saying, you know, is support holds here, you know, and price jumps up through this 57, you know, we're going back up to 58.75 area, maybe even 58.60, somewhere in that general ballpark, right? Because these lines are more so to represent, you know, areas. Support and resistance is an area. It's not going to always be true to the dollar every single time. You will see times where it is, you know. You'll see times where it's not. We can look right here. If you see the high of this candle right here, 58.7846. You're seeing that right there in the top left of the screen, 58.7846. Then you come over here. The high was 58.7141, 58.70. You see your low right there was 50. So it's a general area, right? That's what your support and resistance is. It's not always true to the dollar. So just keep that in mind whenever you're looking at these key levels, okay? You know, but if we see, you know, this first key level right here, if it gets through here, you know, it's coming back up to this 58.60, 58.75 area. That's happening, okay? If it gets rejected, back down to here, back down to the 57.70, right? Now, if in the morning price, you know, let's say it starts at the 57, you know, somewhere around there, and it tries to come up to this key level and it gets rejected, you know, you can almost take it to the bank that 57.05 to this 56.66 area, it's going to be in that ballpark, right? This level right here could act as a little bit of support there, right? It's not a very strong level of support. We did have a bounce here on I believe that was Thursday, wasn't it? Yeah, Thursday, when it hit that general area there. You know, once again though, it breaks through there, breaks through here. We're coming down somewhere. You know, you could possibly see something right here in this area, but I doubt it. We'll probably come on all the way down to 5,500. All right. This is just the way I see the market. You know, it's not always going to be true, accurate, 100% dialed in numbers. All right, so that is my outlook on the S&P 500 for March 10th through March 14th, 2025. Let's see here. Show you guys something cool I've been working on. It's not quite ready for release, but we might get it out there soon. All right, we're going to put this over on the 5-minute chart, and this is going to be the last thing we're going to look at. We're not going to do any live trading today. And you can see 57.36, so it's in that area. All right, so this is a Quantum Algo Pro. This is a script that I've wrote. It's my script. I don't care if you see it. I could care less. It's basically a script that I've wrote, okay? And I'm going to try to get it more fine-tuned. But what this thing does, and I'm going to go over some back testing with you guys. This is a futures trading script, okay? And what it does is it tells you sell at, if I could zoom in, see, it's still a little bit, 57.80.77. So it's going to tell you to enter a trade right there, 57.80. Boom. Right? It's got the signal. All right? And then it's telling you to take profits at 57.70. Bam. So that's like what? A couple ticks, a couple points. It's telling you it's got a stop loss set at 58.18. And this is on the 5-minute chart, okay? Right now, I'm going to make that scoot away. This is my back testing results here. So trade analysis, performance, you can see that on shorts, it performed very well. It made a profit of $172.90. On the longs, it made $65.50. Overall, it made $238.40. Okay, now this is a, let's see, how many trades did it actually do? 18 trades. Okay, so it actually did 18 trades, and it had a 100% win rate over the 18 trades that it actually, went in and signaled on. The thing about this is I do have the criteria set here. You see it's not popping off everywhere on the chart. This is kind of one of them things, as long as I get it fine-tuned and where I want it. I'm going to see if I can get a couple more signals out of it without sacrificing profitability, win rate, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. That might be something that, I don't know. It might be something I give away. It might be something that I end up, selling. Haven't made my mind up about it, but it might be something that we end up doing a giveaway on. I think that would be pretty cool. Let's see. Now, and it is a 5-minute time frame. It does work on other time frames. And, what you're seeing right here, you guys are probably looking at this, minus $790. What that is, the return achieved if all funds initial capital were used to buy the security when the first trade is entered and the position was held for the duration of the test period. So what that's saying is, if you bought it right here, where it's telling you to buy the short right here, and then you held it all the way to the end of the test period, it may not always, on every single one of these signals, right, it would have lost money. But, that's the thing with futures. You're trading these things quickly. Most folks are, I would say 90% of traders are not holding these things longer than, a day. We're going to look over here at the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, it achieved some decent results. It profited $157.10. The criteria I do have set for this thing, I want to go over that real quick. This is based on a $3,000 initial capital. So 0.60 would be the commission, 1.75% as a margin. So that's about a $55 margin. 0.6, 60 cents commission. That's a little bit higher. I just did that for, simplicity there. All right. Let's see. I think on the 30-minute, it does all right. On the 30-minute. You can definitely win trades there. On the 30-minute, it only did 2 trades on the 30-minute. Let's go back to the one. On the 1 minute, it did 35 total trades. 82% on shorts. 88% on shorts. 77% accurate on long positions, and it was 82.86% accurate overall. 29 winning trades, 6 L's, 35 overall. Go back to the 15. I don't think we looked at the 15. Well, one of them, it was this one. It did not do very well on this at all on the 15. It took a big L right here, and that just killed the profits on it. It's not a 15-minute indicator. We don't want to be using that. All right, and let's see. So that was on the that was how it performed on the oh my goodness, S&P 500 futures, not forex. And there it is. Excuse me, I got hiccups this morning type deal. All right. Trash that, pop that back up here. All right, and so we've got a second one that we might also do another giveaway on. We'll see what's happening. This one is a primarily to be used on the 1 minute time frame on the NASDAQ. Okay, Let's see. Something right here. I ain't got something set right. Just performance trade analysis. Let's see. Contract here. Perfect. Oh, because we're on the 15. Ha! Like, look. So, this thing, 1 minute time frame. Okay, it did 39 total trades. It won 24. It lost 15. 63% win rate. I would like to see that come up more, but this is a 1 minute time frame indicator. Yeah, it is what it is. It's got some big wins, some big L's. You know, you can see it's got some medium sized stuff going on there. Small size rather, medium sized. You know, it's a little bit all over the place as far as you know, it's a little bit more riskier. You know, especially in the NASDAQ here, but that's what this thing is primarily used for. So you can see from March 24th, 2025 on the back tested data here, all the way through March 7th, excuse me, I think I said February 24th, 2025 through March 7th, 2025, you know, it did a total of 39 trades, and this is on the 1 minute only. It profited $1,251.40. On the long side, it, you know, lost $310. So this is a indicator that is primarily for 1 minute chart shorting for the NASDAQ. Okay, you know, that might be something that we end up giving away. We'll see how it goes. Okay, on the 30 minute, okay, it did a total of 12 trades. You know, lost some big money, made some big money. You know, made a huge $680 win right here. 572, 437, lost big right here. Is it popping off now? I think this thing is popping off now. No, it's not. Okay. Oh, it's basing it. Okay. I'm with you. So it's currently analyzing this trade right here because it says that it entered it on March 7th and it hasn't closed that position yet. Okay, cool, no problem. All right. So, yeah, that's basically all I got for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. No one knows stocks. You know, if you guys, like I said before, you know, hit the likes, sub, all that good stuff. You know, I don't want to be up here begging you for your likes and your views and all that, but you know, I'm enjoying this, and as I've said before, as long as I continue to enjoy this and continue to do this, you know, it'll be something I'll keep dropping videos on. If there's anything that you guys want me to, you know, analyze or predict, drop it down in the comments. I'll see about making a video on it if there's any stocks or anything out there like that. Just tune in for the next video. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only and for my own personal pleasure and entertainment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a great day.